How's it going, everybody? Seminole Hard Rock. You asked, we listened. Double bonus Ultimate X. We've had some requests for this.
Did they ask for this?
Yeah, I think it was Seattle Susie Q and a few other people were asking about this in the live stream the other day. So.
Is there sound okay here? Loud
It's a little,
music in
it's
this
a little
place.
louder. Well, they don't call it the Hard Rock for no reason, Dad.
Because you're hard of hearing when you leave, or what?
Yeah, it's not the Soft Rock Casino. Get 2 more of those aces, would you?
Wouldn't that be nice? Missed it on 3 hands.
But you got 4x multipliers on 3 hands. So I will gladly take it.
Look at those credits pile up.
Just the ace because it's double.
Ouch. It's a little better the last time.
It was. 4 times is better, in fact. You're going the wrong way, Dad. I believe it's 3 to the flush.
Because you don't have that many multipliers. So if you had lots of multipliers, you would keep just the 8.
See? The flush is only 10x instead of 11x. In bonus poker, it's 11, but I think that's probably still worth it. Maybe not. Didn't work that time.
Well, would it work at the min? I think you go for the inside straight here, because you have very little
5s.
Wow.
Now you have no multipliers. There's the 5s we need.
A little late, thank you. Are you ready to take over? Wait, if I get below 900, you can take over. How's that?
Okay.
Doesn't look like we're going to take
long. I think you're going to be under 900.
No, watch this. Got 1 more. I can redeem myself here with 4 sevens.
You need it.
Oh,
wow.
Boy, that was ugly. Dear God.
You wasted $50.
$50, $25.
Well, you did that twice. You went over 10. Making sure that doesn't stretch. It doesn't. Well, this game kind of sucks if you don't get.
Yeah,
You'd
really.
hold 9-10 with absolutely no multipliers, but
we're not that desperate yet. We're pretty desperate, but not quite that desperate.
4 3s. Watch this.
Oh, full house. All right, do something with it. Got
And
a lot of
3 of a
multipliers.
time.
Come on, do it.
Winner.
Oh,
boy. Oof. Am I going over 10 now?
Oh, boy, look out.
All right. You're going over 10 on the 5s again. No? Okay.
This is pretty sad.
Some dealt winning hands would be nice. Just like the other day when we were playing Powerhouse and we needed the dealt winning. What did we go, like 25 hands in a row without a winner?
That was crazy. I didn't like that game.
Oh. 8x
For a second there, I thought it was a...
right color, wrong suit, as I always say. There we go.
Need a full house on the 8x.
Like that?
362. Hey.
Right back in this, baby.
Hey, are we? 4 aces or right back?
4 aces on the bottom, yeah.
4 aces anywhere. 3 aces. 2 aces. Wow. Well, we had dreams of glory there, but didn't work
Dreams
out.
of grandeur.
Now we're back to reality. Our dreams have been crushed. Except for this 4 of a kind.
What is it, 400 credits? Or 800 with a kicker? Doesn't matter because you didn't get one.
I got you all those multipliers. Do something with it.
Straight flush for $250.
Want to win. You didn't do much with it. I
No,
gave
I
you a
didn't.
chance to be a hero, and instead you were at 0. I should have just pushed the button myself. I would have gotten a pair of jacks.
Well, not really. But
Oh, I'm sure I would have. How many
get
flushes?
some 10x.
Great.
Dad. Hey, you were right. Even a broke box right twice a
There you
day.
go. Even a broke squirrel can find a nut twice a day.
Twos.
Four twos with a 10-time multiplier would be how much? Let's dream. Let's dream big here.
$1,000.
$1,000?
$1,000, 4,000 credits.
All right, let's do it. Did I do it?
No, you wasted 3 10 times multipliers.
That was ugly. But you see, I can laugh in the face of danger.
It was so
danger
ugly.
to our
It
bankroll.
was so ugly, it was like looking in a mirror. You ready for this, Dan?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We've hit it on this machine before.
Inside straight. I think it was this machine.
Well, I just mean the deuces, or
It's
double
you go for an
bonus.
inside straight. Oh, yeah, that's the regular strategy. You gotta go.
6, show
Blood
me
for a six,
sixes. Well, I got one. Wasn't where I wanted it. Do something with that 8x.
Deja
3
vu.
4s again. Right there's where we want it. For a hand pay. Oh, you got it with the
800.
kicker. $200.
We need
I would
it.
have liked it above. It would have been $1,600, but I'll still take it.
Look at all these multipliers. Got a full house in there too. Look at this. All right, but this is the craziness of this game. You just need one good hand like that.
Yeah.
But now, I'm not going to let you touch that button. Last time, I left you all these multipliers. What did you do with it?
Nothing.
You disappointed me. Now,
Well, you should be used to me disappointing.
Learn
you by
from
now.
your father. Watch this.
You haven't learned your lesson in 35 years.
All right. I need complete and total silence because I have to get the. This is called psychic video poker.
Okay.
I need to feel at one with the RNG random number generator and make it come out with good cards. Now watch this. Watch. I'll show you how it's done.
Well, what'd you do?
Well, it's not over yet, right? We just need a few more aces.
Okay, you hit the 12. Okay,
All right. It wasn't a loser. Could have been worse, but
could have been way worse. You could have let me hit the button. I could have gone over 10.
It could have been something like this.
Yeah, nothing.
All right, you can take over. Get us back over our buy-in here.
I will.
You don't have far to go.
Nope, just the ace. It's double.
Uh-oh. Oh, man, that is pathetic. I think you should
I'm
never
ripping this
touch the button
Band-Aid off. All right, yeah.
I gave you a simple job.
I bet 100 credits and I got back 5. Or 200 credits and I got back 5.
Just do something like that.
Easier said than done. Man.
Here, you were good at getting 7s earlier today, so you can get them again. I was good at getting 4s. Usually 3 of them dealt. We can get a 4th one. Oh wait, I did get a 4th one.
You did, with a kicker.
With a kicker, that's right. Got some multipliers here. Just the X. Missed the 8X. As well as everything else.
Just the ace, you think?
Ace over a 3-card flush.
I don't know. The 3 card, you have 1 2 times multiplier. I think we need to try and get some 10s. 10 X's, that is.
Like that?
One away from the straight up there.
Missed it. 7s.
All right, put me in, coach. I'm ready. I'm not going to disappoint
Wait,
you
let me
this
see.
time.
If I get below 800, you can take over. Up, one more spin. Now you jump in there, take over.
Watch this.
Well, we were doing badly, and then I got that one big hand, got us back. So
You bailed us out.
That's your job now.
Okay. Of course, need to get some multipliers for that to happen.
I got a few there.
And I did something with them. Look at me
All
go.
right, you go, boy.
Look at me go.
55 credits. Is that your record for the day?
I was silently trying my
Well, you were doing
your psychic video poker. It didn't work.
3-card flush, gotta be.
Yeah, because there's no inside straight there, right? No?
Wait. Oh, what you got?
Was there an inside straight there or no? I didn't think so.
I was thinking of something else here.
2 5s, right there.
You need it.
As I said, 2 9s, right there. Saved my ass. All right, you can take back over, Dad. That was a quick $100 down the tubes. Whose bright idea was it to play this game? Which one of our fans
we
wanted
haven't
us
played
to
it
play this?
in a while. So was it Susie Q?
It might have been. I don't know why her name came to mind when I was thinking of who suggested it.
Got a lot of 10s out there, just not all at the same time.
Yep. Open-ended.
Now, where are the 10s? I just said we got a lot of 10s out there. Where are they now?
2 of them were 5s, so they weren't here. Or I guess you had the 2 5s made a 10, and then you had another 10. There you go. $500.
Man, that was a good one.
It was right back in this baby.
250 times.
I got
8.
excited because I thought it was a 3 of a kind times 8.
Wow.
And just like that, we're back in it.
It's like I said.
Just need one wackadoodle hand.
Exactly.
Very scientific term there, wackadoodle hand.
It's just a crazy 3-card flush, I would think.
Yeah, because I think it's 23 or something.
Yeah.
But that's in the other game. It might be lower in this one.
I think it's 25. I think it's closer to 30, actually.
But in this game, with the flush only being a 10 times instead of the 11 times, I'm saying it might be lower. But still, I don't even think we had 15. Whoa! Look at you go, Dan.
All right. Here, now's your chance to make up for your
All right. I need
poor performance earlier today.
I need absolute
Not that I'm
silence
grading
here.
you, but you did have a poor performance.
All right. I need absolutely silence here. I'm going to become one with the RNG. Halfway there. Let me become one with the RNG. Well, that didn't work.
Oh, that worked.
That worked.
Wow. Nice.
See, I had to fake it out there.
That was a good one. So now you got all these 10-time multipliers. Do you want your father to work on it?
No.
Get 4 jacks. Good job, man. What a comeback by my boy.
Well, I didn't improve it all, but I
there.
got $125. Well, technically we improved. The 2 pairs don't pay better, but they do give you a better multiplier.
Right.
Here, you do something with all those multipliers I got you.
All these. Okay, here we go. Watch this.
What am I watching?
3-card flush.
No, I think it's
Your multipliers are high enough that you would revert to the
regular strategy.
regular strategy.
Because I'm assuming that the threshold is lower since it's only a 10x in double-double.
Well, I disappointed a little there, didn't I? But overall, we're doing okay. Of course, it's still a little early. We keep getting dealt hands like this. Could be a long game.
Playing an awful lot of Foo Fighters.
Now you do a 3-card.
Yeah.
Because you don't have many multipliers. Three-card flush again. We don't have enough multipliers.
And at least you have 2 high cards on that one, but
Didn't help much. I get down to 1,200, you're taking over.
get me some multipliers to work with here, Dad.
I'm not getting much of anything, am I?
No.
All right, it's all you. Take back over. You bailed us out the last time.
Watch, this is how you win with a 3-card flush, Dad.
Show me. Saved by the last hand.
2 more 6s right there.
That would be nice. 2,500 credits. Keep dreaming.
Son of a gun.
3-card flush.
I hate going for these 3-card flushes, and we're getting so many of them today.
We're not getting dealt anything anymore here. No, you have to get to to go below 1,100, I think. Wow, that's ugly.
No, not even a straight there or anything. Let's get that stink off.
Well, it didn't take long to get below 1,100 there, did it?
Didn't. There you go. Let me go see what else they got. If they've got any other new machines around here that we can play. There you go. You got 12X.
Just one.
What can you do with it? Not much.
4 fours. How do you know? Oh, I got it.
You actually
Well,
did it. High five. All right, I'll be back.
$300. Wow. That's the third time I've had a big hand like that on here. It keeps bringing us back from the brink of losses. And fours again. Fours is where I get it. I do well in fours. Did I do well here? No. Well, you can't win them all, like I say. We're going to keep the 2 because we don't have much in the way of multipliers. If we had total multipliers that were closer to around 25, I think, we would just keep the ace and the king. Got something to work with here for the next hand. Let's do it. Let's see what we can do. Need some straights. Come on. Right in the bottom of the 12X would be awesome. No. Oh, man. That was a killer. Matt's not here. He's out looking for something.
Well, they put in some 100-play super times pays. What'd you do? I heard you talking crap.
Well, I had a open-ended. I had a whole bunch of multipliers and open-ended straight and went 0 for 10.
Dad, I'm disappointed in you. I'm disappointed
If you were here,
in you.
you would have been crying, Matt. You would have felt so bad for your dad. I'm telling you, you would have been sobbing, saying, "Oh, Dad, poor Dad. I'm so sad for you."
I don't think you go 3-card flush over there.
I don't think so either.
So they do have 100-play super times pay 6-5 bonus poker for dimes. That could be fun. Oh, you did it again. Almost
wow.
$200.
This is like the 4th one today, and they've all been with multipliers.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Oh, we're almost
It's $200.
We're almost done with the video. Get one more winner and then we're done.
Ouch.
Here, let me back in here.
You have to get it over 1,500 and we can stop.
Well, we're at 18 and a half minutes anyways, so the video's almost done regardless. Hopefully I just don't lose a bunch in the last minute and a half.
Lose it all back. Like that.
Straight flush. Draw.
You didn't get it.
I would have liked a straight or a flush.
All right, you're killing us here. You're killing us. Let me take back over. Get down to 1,300. We cash out.
Okay.
We win at least 300 for the day. Oh boy.
Oh, you got one finally.
And what am I gonna do with it? I don't do well holding just an ace.
Wouldn't have been bad if you had missed the 10X
I
there.
do much better holding 2 aces.
Yeah. Surprise, surprise. Who'd have thought you'd do better getting dealt a winning hand than you would getting a not winning hand?
Crazy, isn't it?
All right, I think this is the last
Our last
spin.
hand. Come on, give us some here. Oh boy.
We'll spin those. Ah, no, go ahead. We won't even spin them off.
Sevens again. My lucky sevens.
Well, at least you didn't waste it.
Spin them off.
Yeah, spin them off and end it.
Full house.
Shouldn't have spun them off.
They got one full house. Still
Okay.
winning.
It's 20 minutes, Dad.
Oh, nice. But that was a bit of a wild ride there.
It
We
was.
went way down. I kept getting these 4 of a kinds.
328.75 winners.
All right, I like it.